Kids love ice cream sandwiches.
So today, we have an easy homemade ice cream sandwich recipe for you.
Oh, Grammy, you scream, I scream, we all scream for ice cream. It can get a little messy, too.
Well, yes, you might get some ice cream on your hands.
And I'm gonna lick that right off my fingers, too. Count on that.
Here's what you're gonna need. Soft oatmeal cookies.
Not the hard kind like Grammy sometimes makes.
You cut that out. You can also use graham crackers.
Don't forget, the most important part, ice cream.
Make sure an adult lets the ice cream get soft first. They can take it from the freezer and put it in the refrigerator for about 10 to 20 minutes until it's soft.
To be cool, you can add some chocolate chips or sprinkles.
Now let's get to making ice cream sandwiches.
Hey, Grammy, you know why cows are such great dancers?
No, why?
Because cows have all the best moves.
Oh, brother. Back to making the ice cream sandwiches. Place a cookie or graham cracker on a plate.
Spread the softened ice cream gently onto the cookie. Don't press too hard so the cookie doesn't break.
Once you have all the ice cream sandwiches you plan to make, put them in a plastic container into the freezer until the ice cream is frozen again. Probably 1 or 2 hours, or until Grandpa wakes up from his nap.
And there you go. Delicious ice cream sandwiches. Until next time, have fun with your grandparents.